Hello everybody, this is solving a basic trig equation using a calculator. We're going to solve this one. Secant of an angle equals minus 1.5256. So first, we will use our knowledge about secant, well, the reciprocal of the trigonometrical equations, the trigonometrical functions. And do you remember that secant is the same as 1 over cosine, right? So secant of an angle is 1 over cosine, and in this case equals minus 1.5256. All right, then 1 over minus 1.5256 equals cosine of an angle. And then we can use the inverse function of cosine to calculate this one. Inverse cosine of 1 divided by minus 1.5256 equals the angle we are looking for. You're going to put that in the calculator. And let us see. All right, that is okay, let me erase this, and it's the inverse cosine of 1 divided by minus 1.5256. Be sure to have your calculator in radians. That is a very important part. We are talking about radians all the time, so be careful with that. This equals, well, the angle we are looking for equals 2.2856. Okay, now let me illustrate that in here in the unit circle. That is a little bit lower than 3.14, that is pi, right? So it is in quadrant 2. Now, okay, let me draw this, make a drawing. This is the angle 2.2856. Now, let's go back to the beginning because they want us to find all the solutions in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. So the question is there another? Is there another solution? And to answer that question, let us take this information that the cosine of the angle that we're looking for equals a negative number. Remember that in the unit circle, cosine is just the x part of the coordinate, and this is supposed to be negative because we have a negative number. Negative. Now you know how the signs of the coordinates are in each quadrant of the Cartesian plane. So as you can see, we have a negative number in the x part of the coordinate in quadrant 2 and quadrant 3. That means that there is another number, another angle, such that the cosine of that angle is also the number that we're looking for, the minus 1.5256. So this angle is also a solution. And for finding that angle, let us notice that, which color should I use now? That this angle, the brown angle that I just drawing here, is the same as 2 pi minus 2.2856. So let us call the first solution theta 1, and the second solution will be theta 2. That will be 2 pi minus 2.2856. I'm sorry, 2.20 minus 2.2856. I'm going to put that in the calculator too. 2 pi pi. Oh my god, it is not doing what I'm telling it. 2 pi minus 2.2856. All right, how much is that? It is 3.9975. All right, thank you, calculator. And that is the answer, the other answer. That means, let me illustrate this a little bit. That means that this angle 3.9975 is another angle that accomplishes with what they are asking. So two solutions rounded up to the nearest 100. The first one will be 2.29 and the other one will be 4.00, right? All of this is in radians. 4.00. All right, check. Correcto. Thank you.